Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute all-standing cardio kickboxing HIIT workout. Since everything's standing, we don't even need a mat today, but don't forget your water and your towel. We have 5 different exercises that we're going to go over twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. We'll take a quick water break after the first set and then repeat that one more time. There are jumping movements, but I will show you modifications. So you don't need to jump and do all low impact if you like. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. This would be a great workout for you to do, especially if you're short on time. So let's give it a try. If you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 서서 하는 맨몸 킥복싱 유산소 운동을 해볼 건데요. 각 총 5가지 운동을 2세트씩 반복해 볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어지며 뛰는 동작이 있긴 하지만 제가 층간소음 없는 동작을 또 따로 보여드리겠습니다. 오늘은 다 서서 하는 동작들이니 매트는 따로 필요 없으시고요. 대신 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 그리고 이 운동을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 눌러주시고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay, ready everyone? Let's go and get started with a warm-up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamstring. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamstrings. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your legs side to side. Good. Hip openers. 3, 2, 1. Switch other side. 3, 2, 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. So first one, this is what we're going to do. We're doing 2 jumping jacks. Stay low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you don't want to jump toe tap, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay here. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a break. Number 2, we're doing side lunge. 4 high knees, and then alternating. So let's start from the left side, side lunge. Here we go. Side lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side lunge.
Show me something I haven't seen before. Cause I'm tired of the same boats, the same shore. It's time.
Now modify if you don't want to jump or march in place. Stay here. Otherwise, now number 3, we're doing a lateral shuffle with double uppercut. Stay low. Lateral shuffle. 1, 2. Now if you don't want to jump, you can go walk instead. Right here. Otherwise,
my heartbeat has been silent for too long. Tell me one thing, are you happy, are you satisfied? I know that you know when you're done. It's time, my friend, to leave this hell behind us. We got everything we need to make a change. I can't keep pretending I'm right where I want
next one,
to be.
double hook, squat jump, hook, hook, squat jump.
'Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again.
So ready? Feet hip width apart. So hook, hook, squat jump. Modify hook, hook, squat. Stay here if you don't want to jump. Otherwise, hook, hook.
Blood's running through my veins. Still got a little time in me. Won't let it go to waste. Oh, there's power in my clothes. Still got a little time in me. I'm never coming home. 'Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again. And I still got time. The world has tried to put me down,
Next
but
one.
I'm running at the speed
Jab
of
cross.
light. And I still
Or flutter kick.
got time.
Jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now modify. Jab cross. Stay here. Otherwise,
One thing I know for sure,
2, 3,
what we
4.
have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong. But I
And take a break.
like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders. And I like it like
Okay.
that.
Round 2. Back to 2 jumping jacks, 4 front jacks. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Plie, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, I like you like that. Yeah, I like you like that. We're up here on cloud 9, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're partners in crime, and I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong. But I like it like that. Now we catching fire, 'cause you take me higher.
Take a break. Side lunge to high knees. Let's start from the right side first.
Crossing borders, no taking orders. And I like it like that. Even though
Ready?
I've been working twice 2 times a day.
Side lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. uppercut,
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why.
take a break, 4, double hook, squat jump, hook, hook, squat jump,
I can never hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe.
ready?
You send me right out
Here we
into
go, hook, hook,
space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like
Keep going,
I'm
hook,
losing my grip,
hook,
going crazy.
squat jump,
This doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my
few more,
defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've
and then next one, jab cross twice,
Wonder
fourth
what will
water
happen
kick.
next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit
So
the
jab
brakes
cross.
every time you
1,
touch
2,
me,
3,
babe.
4.
You send me right out into
1,
space.
2, 3, 4. Jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jab cross. 2, 3, 4.
Tells me to
Keep going.
stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that
And we are
just
done.
feels
Great job,
right.
everyone.
Can't get my head
That's
around
the
it. I
timer.
can
Get
never
water.
hit the brakes every time you touch me, babe. You send me right out into space.
Okay, shake your arms out, legs out. Start with the shoulder roll-ups. 3, 2, 1. Up and over. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back stretch. Arms up, side to side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press up and slowly bend forward. Quad stretch. Switch. Hamstring calf stretch. Plie. Hip stretch, left over right, gently press it down. Switch. And 3 deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. That was our 10-minute cardio all standing kickboxing HIIT workout. If you have any great workout ideas or suggestions or anything you'd like to share, please write them in the comments below. Have a wonderful day. And Tiger. And I'll see you next. Oh, there she is. She's like, bye.